Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. On this occasion, we from Group 10 will present material about getting a job. But before that, we will introduce ourselves. Hey, my name is Beta Septi Tripamuji, NIM 7101419310.
My name is Marina Haniah, NIM 7101419312.
Job is an activity that must be carried out by everyone for the sake of their survival or to meet various kinds of life needs.
In this material, we will explain about job analysis, job specification, job description, and job application. After that, we will explain too about curriculum vitae or CV and resume, and job application letter or cover letter.
Process job analysis. Before collecting data from managers and employees, it is important to carry out a planning process for job analysis. The main problem in job analysis planning is answering and identifying the goal and analysis of the job. Furthermore, planners ask for approval and support from top management to avoid the emergence of managerial employee unrest and resentment. 2. Preparing and communication the job analysis. At this stage, employees who will be involved in conducting job analysis and the method to be used must be identified are those involved including the daily employee group for one division or all employees in the organization. Another activity in this step is to review existing work documentation, both regarding the organizational structure and available resources. Lastly is to communicate the process to manager and employees to avoid unassignments. 3. Conducting the job analysis. At this step, the analysis can be carried out with the various data needed to be collected through a questionnaire accompanied by a letter describing the process and instruction for filling out and returning the job analysis questionnaire. After the data has been collected, the next activity is to sort according to group or units. When it is necessary to match the data, it is necessary to ask interview or additional questions. For the following job description and job specification, if the data collected is citable, then prepare a draft job description and job specification complete, then reviewed by the manager. After being reviewed by manager, the job description are then distributed by the HR department to manager, supervisor, and employees.
Description and job specification have been completed and reviewed by all appropriate individuals. A system must be developed to maintain accuracy. One effective way to ensure accurate review are to use job description and job specification in other human research activity. For example, whenever a vacancy occurs, job description and specification must be appropriately reviewed and revised before recruitment and selection activity.
Job analysis method. 1. Interview method. Workers are selected and interviewed directly at their place of work or thus directly related to the work being analysis. 3 types of interview can be asked to collect job analysis data, namely individual interviews, group interviews, and supervisor interviews. In some circumstances, such as team-directed work, group interview may also be asked. One of the drawbacks of the interview method is that it is very time-consuming, especially if the interviewer is talking to 2 or 3 employees doing a job. Then the analysis usually contact the supervisor for additional information in order to check the accuracy of the information obtained from the employee and clarify certain matters. 2. Observation method. The observation method is a method used in gathering information by observing the individual who performed the job and recording it to describe the duties and obligation he performs. The method of observation is very appropriate if it is carried out on types of work that are repetitive. The use of the observation method allows the analysis to be carried out close to the work atmosphere in the field. Despite its observational nature, analysis should not continuously observe development from time to time. 3. Questionnaire method. By asking a questionnaire, the person concerned is asked to provide data about his position. In his own word analysis, asks employees to fill out a questionnaire to describe the tasks related to their position and responsibilities. The main advantage of the questionnaire method is that information on a number of jobs can be collected quickly and in time relatively short. In contrast, the questionnaire method took a long time to price the questionnaire. Employer, not a method theory. The method of analyzing job is collected by asking employees to describe their daily work activities in a diary or log. In the method, problems in which employees exaggerate the importance of work might be overcome. Element in the job description. 1. Job identification. The job identification section places job within an organizational structure. This includes information regarding the employee, title, department, and reporting relationship. Job titles should be descriptive, meaningful, and consistent with comparable positions in the organization. 2. Job objective. The job objective describes briefly why the job exists, that is, the main purpose or purpose of the position. Ideally, it should describe the essence of the job in less than 25 words. 3. Duties and responsibilities. This section lists the main job duties and responsibilities. This is the heart of the job description and should clearly and specifically indicate what the employee needs to do. Given the rapid change, the need for increased performance, flexibility, and multi-scaling, duties and responsibilities are increasingly being expressed as performance standards derived from the strategic business objectives of the organization. However, many job description formats still list performance standards separately or not at all. 4. Relationship. The section identifies relationship with other positions inside and outside the organization. that are necessary for satisfactory performance. For example, what position report directly for this job? What are the most frequent job contacts in the organization? What are the most frequent and important job contacts outside the organization?
Next, I will explain about job specification. Job specification are description of the minimum quality requirements that a person can accept in order to be able to carry out a position properly and competently. And next, job application letter. Job application letter or cover letter is a document that applicants submit to employers that express your interest in a position and to introduce you and briefly summarize your professional background. Job specification content there is skills, knowledge, personality, ability, and interest. And next, the main section include in a job application letter or cover letter. First, deadline and inside address. Or heading, a letter of application should begin with both your and the employer's contact information, name, address, phone number, email, followed by date. And next, salutation. This is your polite greeting. The most common salutation is Dear Mr. or Dear Miss, followed by the person's last name. And the part body of letter, think of the section as being three distinct parts. In the first paragraph, you want to mention the job you are applying for and where you saw the job listing. And the next paragraph, this is where you'll share those relevant details on your experience and accomplishment. And the third and last part of the body of the letter will be your thank you to the employer. You can also offer follow-up information. And the next, complimentary clause. Sign off your email with a polite clause such as based on sincerely followed by your name. And the last is signature, and with your signature handwritten followed by your type name. And this is example of a cover letter or application job letter, CV, and resume. The things to consider to finding a job. First, company name and reputation, and second, job type, and third, guaranteed security of work, and the next, company or workplace condition, and the last, career opportunities or career path. You can see job vacancies at internet, newspaper, social media, family or friend, teacher, and other. This is our presentation. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.